Okay, like I say, if it's a one-time credited amount of money, we make use of simple interest. I equal to PRT over 100. This particular formula, you will have to remember yourself. If it's just a one-time credited amount. Okay? And the respective IPRT, they are all mentioned over here. Okay? However, my main aim today is teaching compound interest. Don't worry. The good thing about compound interest is they will give you the formula. You don't have to memorize. However, when it comes to compound interest, the P still represent the principal, the amount of money you put in, but R and N, R stands for the rate of interest per period. So that may change according to the question. Likewise, N represent the number of periods. Alright, now we're going to zoom in at the question. Okay, so your guess is as good as mine. You saw the word simple interest. So obviously, I have to use the formula which you are told to remember. I equal to PRT over 100. Okay, fair enough. So this is the simple interest. Now, may I ask, if I want to ask the total amount that he has in the bank after 4 years, what must we do? Add the 10,000, that's all. Oh, so you have to read the question carefully. Yeah? We are going to zoom in. Can you see this word called compounded, compounded, compounded? So is it very obvious if it's compounded, I need to use the compound interest? Okay, now let me write out the formula and see how we use it. Alright? Okay, instead of writing total amount, I write A. A represents the total amount. Okay, 10,000 is being placed inside. Okay, we have to check. Compounded yearly, look carefully. Compounded yearly. Every year, what is the percentage or rate of interest? 1.2% per year. Am I right? So since it's compounded every year, right? What is the rate of interest for 1 year? Is it 1.2? Because R stands for the rate of interest per period. In this case is per year. So I think 1.2. Every 1 year is 1 period. How many years are there? 4 years. So if there are 4 years, how many periods are there? 4. Okay. Now press the calculator. Okay? Good that you mentioned all answer for dollars and cents must be round off to 2 decimal places. Check again. Is this the answer? Why no? This is the total amount, but you only want to find the interest. Yes. So, the amount of money that you earn, please go and minus off accordingly. Alright, so the money is just $488.71. This is a very basic question on compound interest. Okay, let's look carefully at part C. Is compounded every half yearly, which you told me is every 6 months. But it's 1.2% per annum. Let me write down first. Oh, teacher, per annum is 1 year. 1 year is 1.2%. But I'm not compounding every 1 year. I'm compounding every 6 months. Which you told me, oh, in that case, I need to divide by 2. So it's 0.6%. So our rate of interest per period become 0.6. Next, number of period. Every 6 months is 1 period. Take note. Every 6 months is 1 period. So in 1 year, there's actually 2 periods. But the thing is, we are looking at over 4 years. So in 4 years, there's a total of 8 periods. So now we have to fill in the blank. Basically, the principal remains unchanged. The rate of interest has reduced to 0.6. And the number of periods has increased to 8. Now press your calculator again. Okay, so you press the calculator, that's the amount, but you need to minus off the 10,000. If it's very obvious to you, just write the answer lah. Oh, so now if you compare all 3, if you have the opportunity to choose either one of it, which one will you choose? A, B, or C? Huh? Again? I cannot hear. Okay, part D is also compounded, but now it has changed to every 3 months, 1.2% over the next 4 years. So certain things will change. Take note, the things that have changed, it has become 3 months. The rate of interest is 0.3. Every 1 period is 3 months, 1 year is 4 periods. So over 4 years, there are a total of 16 periods. Put it into the formula now. Okay, so what you notice across the 4 questions, the more often you compound, the rate of interest becomes higher. Alright? Okay.